Okay, we're back. The Suzuki SX4 is now properly lifted up on the Quickjack to the topmost level, and it's locked down. So I'm going to be pretty safe and secure working under the car. I don't have to worry about the car falling on me and killing me. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take off this wheel and then get the sway bar and basically fish it underneath over the exhaust and the drive shaft to the other side, and then we can bolt it down with the supplied fasteners, and this job will be done. Fairly quick and easy to do. Lifting up the car is probably the hardest, but with the Quickjack, it made it pretty simple to get the car up in the air. I'll be back in a little bit with the finished product. Okay, so now after a few minutes under the car, putting all the fasteners on, there's the installed sway bar. Goes all the way across to the other side. Not too bad of an install, fairly straightforward. And while I'm on the subject of this car, if you remember on my last couple of videos, I installed the Powerstop brakes on the car. I just want to show you guys something really quick. Here's a picture of the left rear rotor. Now keep in mind that this car sits outside, and we've had some rainstorms, you know, raining, driving it in the rain, roads splash, everything. And as you can see, look at that rotor. Usually you get rust starting to build up on the hat area and around here, and usually even on this surface here. But these rotors, so far, they've had nothing on them. I'll come to the front. Same thing on the front. Again, there's like no rust buildup here or on the surface of the rotor there. And they've been working out pretty good. I have to say I'm fairly impressed with them, and I will definitely buy these again in the future if I need brakes for this car again or my other cars. And so that wraps up this video. I'm going to pause it again, and we'll do a little demonstration on when I drop the car down after I put the wheel back. Okay, so the wheel's back on and ready to lower the car down. So my lovely assistant, if you could please. You have to raise it up a little bit first. And then what we got to do is release the safety locks, which are right there. She'll do that on the other side. And now we're ready to lower the car down. Alright, go for it. And there it goes. So much easier than doing it with jack stands and jacks. I highly recommend one if you do a lot of work on your car. Saves me a lot of time and hassle too. Okay, move the hose away a little bit there. No, you didn't. It's right by the wheel there. Okay, alright, just drop it down. Alright, and that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned again. Hit the like button if you like the channel, and we'll be back soon with more videos. Thanks.